Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce language barriers in business with LinkedIn Learning, full guide step by step clearly. To reduce language barriers in business using LinkedIn Learning, start by sign in or create an account if you do not already have one. Once logged in, use the search bar to look for courses on language skills. Consider searching for courses in relevant business languages such as Spanish, Mandarin, or French. Review the course descriptions and select those that focus on communication in a business context. Pay attention to the course ratings and user reviews to gauge their effectiveness. Once you choose a course, begin by developing a study schedule that allows you to engage with the material regularly. Set clear goals for your learning, such as mastering specific vocabulary or improving your spoken fluency. Take notes while watching the videos to reinforce your understanding of key concepts. Utilize the quizzes and assignments provided within each course to test your knowledge and track your progress. Join any discussion forums or community features within LinkedIn Learning to practice with other learners. Engage in conversations in your target language, both online and offline, to apply what you've learned. Seek out additional resources such as language exchange programs or local meetups to enhance your skills. Continuously assess your progress and adjust your learning goals as necessary. Incorporate these new language skills into your daily business communications. Finally, share your insights and experiences with colleagues to foster a supportive environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.